to Brian's World, Korea. I'm so happy to see you guys today. Let's get our friends down here. Remember my friend back there? Yeah, it's Magic Frame. Remember? Magic, magic, magic Frame! Oh, Magic Frame, he brings so much joy into my life. Then I have another friend. Where is he? Oh, it's Mr. Ko. How are you today, Mr. Ko?
Well, I could be better. It's raining outside today.
Oh, that's right. It's raining today. You know what? Maybe we can talk about different places you can visit when it rains, right? Because outside it's just rain and get very wet. So where do you go? So let's ask the question together. Where do you go when it rains? There's lots of places, but let's talk about our favorite places, okay? How about we start with our friend Magic Frame? Magic Frame, where do you go when it rains? Oh, Magic Frame goes to the art gallery. Magic Frame, that's a perfect spot for you because you are from the art gallery. Art galleries are so nice. You can see art from all over the world. We have an art gallery right here in Daejeon, but there's an art gallery in Daegu, in Busan, in Seoul, and many other parts of Korea. Yeah, that's a very good place to go when it rains. So, Magic Frame goes to the art gallery. Ah, good. How about our friend Mr. Ko? Mr. Ko, where do you go when it rains?
I go to the greenhouse.
Oh, the greenhouse. That's a beautiful place to go when it rains. Because
it smells so nice.
Oh, yes, you smell. Yes, he smells lots of beautiful flowers and plants. It's all just beautiful green plants. Wow, that's a good idea because you can't go outside to the garden because it'll be all wet. My new shoes, they're so wet. So, this is what Mr. Ko does. Mr. Ko goes to the greenhouse. Sorry, are you asking about me? Oh, well, if you have to ask, actually, someone has to ask. Mr. Ko, can you ask for me?
Hey, Brian, where do you go when it rains?
Well, Mr. Ko, my favorite place to go is to the movie theater. I love watching movies. Oh, I can go see a scary movie or a dramatic movie. Oh no, 사랑해. Or a comedy movie. Whoa! Yep. There's so much to see. I love watching movies. And when it's rainy, I can go sit in a comfortable seat, eat some popcorn, have some cola. Oh, it is so nice. I love watching movies.
Brian's World is better than any movie.
That's right, Mr. Ko. So my sentence is, Brian goes to the movie theater. That's right. So again, let's check in with our friends. Where does Magic Frame go? Yeah. Magic Frame goes to the art gallery. How about my pal, Mr. Ko? Where does Mr. Ko go?
Oh, you know where Ko goes.
Mr. Ko goes to the greenhouse. And then again, me. Do you remember? Where do I go when it rains? Where? That's right. Brian goes to the movie theater. Why don't you tell me where you go when it rains? I'd love to hear. You can visit my website at briansworld.ca. You can send me an email, and your parents can connect on Facebook. That would be so much fun. My name's Brian, and I'll see ya real soon. Goodbye.